From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of using a flimsy remote control that just doesn't cut it? Look no further than the new replacement remote control fit for OKIN by WDZP. This thing is a beast, built to withstand daily use and then some. With its durable design, you'll never have to worry about it falling apart in your hands, and the high-quality construction ensures reliable performance and long-lasting control of your adjustable bed. You'll appreciate the texture of the buttons, which are easy to press and have a satisfying click to them, and the weight of the remote, which feels solid and substantial. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice. One of the standout features of this remote is its compatibility with RF 50.17.28 Verpal Matella's Bork Plasmabed adjustable bed bases, making it a great replacement if you've lost or damaged your original remote. You'll also appreciate the warranty that comes with it, which gives you peace of mind and protects your investment. In real-life use, this remote is a game-changer. Imagine being able to adjust your bed to the perfect position with ease, or being able to use the child lock function to prevent accidental changes. The sound of the bed adjusting is smooth and quiet, and the feel of the remote in your hand is comfortable and intuitive. This remote is better than others on the market because of its durability and high-quality design, which makes it a great value for the price. Plus, the warranty and exceptional service provided by the manufacturer give you added confidence in your purchase. Overall, the new replacement remote control fit for OKIN by WDZP is a fantastic choice for anyone in the market for a reliable and long-lasting remote control. So why wait? Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.